Embracing Green Goodness, your guide to transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle. Hello, green seekers, and welcome back to Green Goodness, Plant-Based Living. Today's episode is a special one, as we embark on a transformative journey together, transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle. We're thrilled to guide you through not just the change in your plate but a holistic shift in your lifestyle. Transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle isn't just about what you eat. It's a profound shift in how you live your life, from the products you use on your skin to the clothes you wear and even the way you connect with nature through gardening. Segment 1. Plant-based Nutrition Basics. Let's kick off with the heart of the transition, plant-based nutrition. Educate yourself. Start by understanding the basics of a plant-based diet. Explore a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Gradual transition. Consider a gradual shift. Begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your routine and exploring new recipes. Explore plant-based alternatives. Discover the world of plant-based alternatives for dairy, meat, and other animal products. There are so many delicious options out there. Segment 2. Beauty and Skincare Makeover. Now, let's talk about extending that plant-based love to your beauty and skincare routine. Cruelty-free and vegan products. Opt for cruelty-free and vegan beauty products. Many brands now offer plant-based alternatives that are kind to your skin and our furry friends. DIY skincare. Explore do-it-yourself skincare using natural ingredients like coconut oil, aloe vera, and essential oils. Your skin will thank you for the extra love. Mindful consumption. Choose products with sustainable packaging to minimize your environmental impact. Segment 3. Sustainable Fashion. Now, let's revamp our wardrobe with a touch of sustainability. Secondhand shopping. Consider thrift stores or online platforms for secondhand clothing. It's a fantastic way to reduce your carbon footprint. Eco-friendly fabrics. Look for clothing made from eco-friendly materials like organic cotton, hemp, or bamboo. Minimalism. Adopt a minimalist approach. Invest in quality pieces that stand the test of time, reducing the need for constant shopping. Segment 4. Connect with nature through gardening. And now, let's bring it full circle by connecting with nature through gardening. Start small. Whether you have a backyard or just a balcony, start with a small herb garden or potted plants. It's a beautiful way to reconnect with the earth. Composting. Compost kitchen scraps to create nutrient-rich soil for your plants. It's a full-circle sustainable practice. Mindful gardening. Take time to observe and connect with your plants. It's not just about what you grow. It's about the journey of growth itself. Closing segment. Your Green Goodness Journey. Congratulations, Green Warriors! You've embarked on a journey towards a more compassionate, plant-based lifestyle. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are on a similar journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more Green Goodness inspiration. Contact us for information and coaching towards your plant-based journey and lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, may your plate be vibrant, your skincare pure, your wardrobe sustainable, and your garden evergreen. Stay green, stay kind, and stay tuned for more Green Goodness, plant-based living.